how to use Donna AI for free. So if you want to use Donna AI for free, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. And on your Play Store, you need to go with search. You can also go with your App Store. It's available on your App Store or your Play Store. And then you need to search for Donna AI. After searching, you'll find the application right here. Donna AI is an AI-powered song generator. You type in your vibe or theme and it writes original lyrics and can even turn them into music with vocals. Using it is super easy and installing it is also easy. You need to just simply click on install, which will be on the right side. And once you click on it, it will get installed within a few seconds. Just head over to the Donna AI or just download the app, sign up, and boom, you're in. On the free plan, you can get a few song generations per month. You just type what kind of song you want, like a chill pop song about summer love, and it creates lyrics, a melody, and even sings it back. No downloads, no editing skills needed. Honestly, it's real fun. The vocals are decent for AI and the lyrics actually make some sense. It's perfect for quick demos, TikTok ideas, and just messing around. The free plan's a bit limited, but great for trying it out. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.